It's Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas Eve.
And we are on our way to
Animal Kingdom.
Yay! We have a character breakfast planned, and I cannot wait to see all the precious characters. I bet they're all in their Christmas outfits.
Our safari outfits.
We'll see. Maybe it's a mix. We'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah, we gotta go catch the bus. All right, we walked right onto the bus.
We ran onto the bus.
Yes, we were literally right with the driver. We were that close. But it is a lot of people here trying to get in, so we're gonna try to get through security. Well, we made it in. That was really quick.
Yes.
Considering there were so many people. And this was the first time like annual pass entrance was little to nobody at all.
Yep,
So we was able, there was nobody in line for annual pass, and it was probably 50, 60 people deep for standard line to get in. But now we're gonna make our way over to Dino Land.
Yay!
And check out the buffet.
The buffet.
What's so funny
What's
is
so funny?
like 30,000 people are headed toward Pandora.
And we're going the opposite way.
30 people are headed the other way. It's so funny to watch just the droves of people going to Pandora, but we're going the opposite way.
Good, thank goodness.
Yeah, there's like no line or nothing. It's just strolling, taking our time. Well, we went to Restaurantosaurus for the character breakfast, except the character breakfast is at Tusker House.
I'm not sure how to say it, but yeah, we went to the wrong place, but it's okay.
See, when we've done it years ago, it was at Restaurantosaurus, and I just assumed when I made reservations that's where it was. But
so we're just making a detour.
we're gonna go fight the crowd now to get on the other side of the park. All right, we'll be there in about 5 minutes. So what'd you just see?
Kangaroo.
A what?
A kangaroo.
A kangaroo.
What was it doing?
Well, one just hopped away, but there was another one just sitting there.
We made it. We're here at the Tusker House.
Yeah, we got over here, and now I can't remember if it was ever at Restaurantosaurus, because I remember coming here now. So
we've eaten at Restaurantosaurus plenty of times. So.
But the character breakfast, I think, might have been here. Maybe you can help me out. Leave in the comments below. Was the character breakfast ever at Restaurantosaurus? I think somebody's going to say yeah. Help me out. I got biscuits and gravy, feta cheese omelet, ham, bacon, waffle. Donald!
Merry Christmas, Donald.
Right here, we're going to get a picture. You ready? Oh, you did good. Perfect. All right, Ash, what'd you get?
A little bit of everything. Scrambled eggs, ham, donuts, red pudding.
It's good?
It's excellent.
So how was breakfast?
Fantastic. So good. Scrambled eggs were unbelievable. I don't know what they do to them, but man.
So now we're just waiting on characters?
Yeah, I think they took a little break. We haven't seen Goofy yet, so I'm excited to see him. And maybe we missed Mickey. I was up there feeding my hungry stomach, and I missed him, so he's coming now.
So who's next, Gavin?
Us, I guess.
Goofy!
Gavin's not sure what character's next. I think it's going to be Goofy.
I know what you meant.
I think it's going to be Goofy.
Goofy! Yeah! All right!
you, Goof. Good to see you. Let me get a picture real quick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Got it. You want to get one, Ash?
I do. Hi, Goofy. Merry Christmas.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Can we get some pictures real quick? Let's get one right here. You ready? Got it. You want to get one?
Yes, of course.
Not too tight now.
Yeah, it's Santa Claus.
All right, we just finished our incredible character breakfast there at not Restaurantosaurus, but at Tucker House. Scale of 1 to 10, where would you put that breakfast?
11.
It was
11?
Yes, above and beyond. It was great. From the food to the characters to the environment, everything.
Would you do it again?
Service was great. Yes, in a heartbeat.
Now, how full are you?
Oh, beyond.
I see what. But I would recommend it, and I think I will definitely be back.
Yes, we will be back. That's a must.
Only minor critique. There was only 4 characters. I think for what we paid, you could have had at least 5 or 6. Yeah, you could have had Chip and Dale. You could have had Minnie. Could have
Pluto.
Pluto and Minnie or Chip and Dale would have been great.
Yeah.
But besides that,
It was good. We'd
Excellent.
definitely do it again.
I think it's an 11 out of 10 myself.
Yep.
You ready?
I am. They are so stinking cute in their little Christmas outfits. They both have little Christmas hats on. Snowflakes. Precious.
There you go, shoot it right there.
Hey,
Merry
Mickey.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I love your outfit. So festive.
Oh, yes, ready for Christmas? Look, yep.
You look so
Castaway Key. Yep. It was on the beach, Castaway Key, right there.
Oh, right. You like my sweatshirt? I got you on here, Minnie.
Wait,
We just saw like 75,000 parrots fly right over the top.
Right, 75. It was more like maybe 15, but it was a lot of them.
I could feel the wind. It blew my hair.
Right.
It was amazing. I'm looking for more. I see a blackbird.
A variety of birds. I'm interested to see what this is about.
I bet there's a Kevin.
A peacock.
A Kevin.
A Kevin. Oh, that'd be so cute. That was amazing. They had so many different kinds of birds. What was your favorite?
Probably the bald eagle.
A bald eagle. He was gorgeous. And the peacock, oh, so pretty. Love it.
And the parrots.
And the parrots, yes. It was, if you ever get a chance to see this show, you must. It's so wonderful.
So the crowds here in Animal Kingdom are a little intense today.
A little.
Still, I don't think it's as bad as what I was expecting for Christmas. And it is Christmas Eve today. But we're walking around noticing the little things, like the Disney pays such good attention to small details.
Yes.
Like Ashley thought this was a fake cactus plant. And so
It is very real.
she jabbed her finger in it. But
It's so cool how it's designed though. It's just neat.
yeah,
It's
there's
like a cactus.
there's always little things that you can look at, pay attention to. The Disney walls we took pictures at.
Yeah.
We watched the bird show. Trying to beat the crowds a little bit, so
Now we're gonna go watch the
yeah, we're going through the nature trail to see the gorillas.
gorillas.
All right, let's go.
What you see?
Little baby monkey. Oh, did you see him? He might crawl back out to his mom. So little. Look, there he is. Oh.
Kingfish.
What? That would be cool to see. These are so pretty. Dad?
It's right there.
Right through there, Dad. Through the rock and the tree right there. He's
Barely can see him. I don't know if I can pick him up on the camera.
It's this.
It's that one?
The tambourine dove.
Yeah.
You found
So this is Dad right here. Yep, this one's Mom right here. All the other 7 of them are babies.
He was dominant because he was the only silverback in that group. And then when the boys became silverback, KJ took over that from his dad. Now Gus is the lowest man on the totem pole, but he's alright with that. So Waddy will pick on him sometimes though, and then KJ will get involved.
The outback of Australia, so dry desert areas. So you can imagine if he was down in the rocks and the sand. Because why does he have this bright yellow head? That seems like it would really stick out. So a lot of things that are dangerous.
Oh, she's a little bit tougher than this.
Yeah, she feels a little harder than the snake. Skinks are known for having pretty tough scales. That's what protects them.
Well, we decided to eat at Rainforest Cafe.
Yes, the park is getting extremely crowded, so all the restaurants there were pretty packed up, so we're Landry Club members, so we decided to come in and try maybe sharing an appetizer and a burger or something.
Yeah.
So hopefully it won't be too long, maybe 10 minutes, and we'll be seated.
Take a sit down and relax too, huh?
Air conditioned.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if you can hear us or not, but
It is very loud in here.
we're sitting right beside the waterfall and
We're by a rainfall.
a rainfall.
We by a screaming child.
We got a little bit of everything going on here.
We by a gorilla.
The gorilla's about to start doing something. Look like all of the animals have Santa hats on.
Santa hats on. We by a lady with, I better not say, but we got seated really quick.
Yeah.
We got some crab dip ordered. We got some salmon teriyaki ordered, some chicken alfredo,
We eating good.
and I'm gonna have to lay up and take a nap afterwards.
That's right.
All right. Y'all,
Well, that was a good meal.
I am so full. God, all we've done is eat. Jeez. But now we're gonna go back and I'm gonna try to take a nap and burn some of these calories.
Yeah, I'm gonna rest for a few.
And we'll see how we feel afterwards and what we might do. So
Not sure what we're doing tonight, so we'll figure it out.
our bus is there. We're so full, we can't run fast.
Oh my God, it's just jostling all around in there.
Oh God, I don't really think about that. Whew, our bus is almost, don't leave. Well, after a nap and a little bit of R&R, we decided we're going to
Hollywood Studios, here we come.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out the Tower of Terror light show and look at
Christmas decorations.
go look at what's that? Toy Story Land's Christmas decorations.
That's gonna be cute. So we made it to Hollywood.
And all of this where we're walking is brand new. We were here a few months ago, and all this was roped off.
October, yeah.
Yeah, it was. You had to walk in a different area, so they put seats here. They got the new bus station that they're working on, the gondola. All of it's going to be really nice. Brand new bathrooms.
Yep. It's gonna be great. It's got
You see
a
the
big
walkway?
area. Yeah, this is the new New walkway with benches and all. Very nice. So, we're gonna try to get into the park, check our bag, and go see some lights.
Yeah, you check the bag. I don't like checking bags.
Of course not.
Here you go.
I'll do the dirty work.
Well, I absolutely love the light show.
Yes, it is amazing. Fantastic. It's great. Love
Yeah,
it.
they did a great job with it, so I highly recommend it. It's only like 15 minutes long. You can watch the whole thing. They play it non-stop throughout the night.
Yep.
But I think
Love
we're
it.
going to head over to Toy Story Land now.
Yeah. See all those lights. See if maybe we can get a bite to eat at Woody's Lunchbox.
Ooh, I like that. That's a good idea. Well, it's not like we haven't ate enough already today.
Exactly. All we do is eat.
Well, we got a quick snack at Woody's Lunchbox,
And then we took a picture with the ham cookie.
the ham sugar cookie. Now we're going to go
5 billion.
do Slinky Dog Dash for the first time ever at night. I don't think the wait's going to be too long, maybe 40-45 minutes.
And Christmas too.
Yep. So,
Christmas time.
y'all, I've ate so much.
In Toy Story Land.
We gained about 5,500 pounds.
5,501. But it's all right.
Hey, YOLO.
Yeah, that's right.
55.
YOLO yogurt is good.
No, you only live once.
That's right. YOLO.
55 minutes.
All right, let's see how long it takes. It is
What time is it right now?
8:03. All right. 8:36, 33 minutes, and we're about to get on.
That's not bad at all.
It's not a bad wait at all, no. So,
Should be 55 minutes. Huh?
yep, but we might have to wait 55 minutes to get the bus.
Oh God. True.
We still got a long way to go, partner.
I know.
Here we go.
Oh! No, we're straight over there. Whoa! It's total everything. All right, what a way to end our holiday trip.
Yes, y'all. That was the best. I love that ride.
Yeah, there he goes.
I cannot help but laugh the whole entire time.
It's
Love
definitely,
it.
yeah, definitely a top 5 ride. Never gets tired.
Adorable. It's even better at night. I think I like it better at night.
And only a 30-minute wait.
It wasn't bad at all.
So I would, you gotta ride it. Even if I would wait an hour and a half if I had to.
Yep.
So, great ride. But now we have to go try to catch a bus.
Yay. Wish us luck.
Yeah, we had a perfect way to spend Christmas Eve.
It was great.
It is nighttime at Toy Story Land on Slinky Dog, right?
Yes.
Perfect way to end Christmas Eve.
Perfect.
Now we just got to go home and go to bed and wait for Santa. You got milk and cookies to put out?
I don't know. We'll have to stop and get some, I guess.
Oh God, we'll eat them though if we get them. Do you really trust ourselves with cookies?
No.
I don't either. I don't trust ourselves at all with milk and cookies. I mean, okay, I went back to the room first to try to take a little nap. Ashley had to handle some business. They come in about 15 minutes later with donuts.
Gavin had a donuts. I had a
Giant brownie.
blondie.
And I just rolled over.
A rookie.
And then you fell asleep.
Yeah, I sure
He
did.
was sawing some off.
I'm like, no, I'm not eating no more.
So he just slept.
But truly, the crowds were not that bad.
No.
I mean, they were more intense today, but still not that bad.
Still not
Whoop,
bad.
about to get run over. No, they weren't that bad at all. So
No, we were expecting really, really crowded, but it wasn't.
yeah. Or maybe we just timed everything just right, but I don't know. It wasn't bad. I would definitely do Christmas again. So
Oh yeah.
I might go ahead and book it. All right, let's try to get on out of here. So when you have Christmas music, these beautiful trees,
Can't help but want to stay around.
And the park's just officially closing, or closing in about a minute. But who's in any hurry to leave?
Nope.
Only thing we gotta do is go to bed and catch a plane tomorrow, so.
Don't want to even think about that right now.
Well, another day's come and gone, and we're chillaxing in the bed, and we just dropped something. I don't know what that was.
Waiting for Christmas.
Yeah, Santa's gonna be coming shortly.
Yeah.
But it's about time for us to go to bed and
Yep, we've got a big day tomorrow. Gotta go home.
get up early, so.
Can you please like and subscribe to our channel? It would really help a lot.
We
Yes, it would.
We would appreciate it. Leave comments below, and to everybody out there, we want to say
Merry
Merry Christmas.
Hope y'all have a good one.
Bye bye.